Gracie, what you doing? Gracie. What you doing? You got your toys? What you doing, big girl? Look at me. Hi. Hi. Can you say hi? Oh, fat little sucker you are. Gracie. Gracie, look at me. Gracie, look. Hi. Are you being good? You got ball? Is that your ball? Look at all those. Look at all those toys. Look at your toys, pretty. Hi. Did you fall down? You're playing, huh? Whoa, you fell down. Look, you got itch? Hi, sweetheart. What you doing? Oh, you got me. You got me. Get me. Come here and give me a kiss. Oh, what? You don't want the TV, your camera? Let me see you. Can you say hi to John? Are you going to go see your John? Where's your John? You get to meet John around Thanksgiving, your new best buddy. You got that ball. Who's a good girl? Gracie. Gracie, come here. Gracie, come here. Come here, Grace. You don't want to listen? Come here. There's a good girl. Come here and see me. Hi. You look like a little silly girl. You're upside down now. Good girl. Okay, I'll stop taking your picture. Give me one more smile. Gracie. 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 Hello. Look at me. Look. There you are. There you are. Good girl.